Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal and welcome to my channel. Today I want to do an unboxing video of this Becker Performance exhaust system, which is for a Volvo S80 V8 all-wheel drive. And I believe this system also fits the 3.2 as well, or the T6, I forget. I believe they all fit the same. And so anyway, we'll go ahead here and get started. And I apologize for any background noise, or you'll see the dogs will walk in and out. This is Foxy here, and right, Foxy, and then Chester will be was barking in the background here, which Chester has his own channel on YouTube, believe it or not. Foxy, how come you don't have your own channel? The main reason I'm doing this video is because I couldn't find any sound clips at all or any information about these Becker exhaust systems for the Volvo S80, and I wanted to hear what they sound like on an S80 V8, which I just purchased one. And Becker Performance did not sponsor this video, by the way. I couldn't even get a response from them when I wrote to them, and so anyway, so I ended up just going through a seller on eBay, and you can sometimes find these on sale. Looks to be packaged up pretty nice. You got the clamps here, and this is an all stainless steel exhaust system. I know some of the complaints online were that the clamps are really cheesy, but they don't actually, they're band clamps. They don't look too bad. They have everything wrapped in this wrap here. Hopefully they sent for the right car, because that would suck if I have to put this all back together and send it back or whatever. Muffler looks pretty cool. I'll put all the specs down below. I forget exactly all the details on this, but they call this like a brushed finish on it. Looks really nice. The workmanship looks great on it. I assume these are made in China, but I have no proof of that. I have no idea. And someone else said, well, not someone, a whole bunch of people said online that these are from OBX, which is, they say that they're the same company. I don't know. I'll have to make sure try to get my fingerprints off of it though then, before they bakes on, so I will have to wipe everything down then. But I'm impressed with the workmanship. Looks really nice. I don't know if this is done by a computer, the welds, but they sure look, they're really well done, the welds. A buddy of mine who teaches welding and works with me is an amazing TIG welder, and I tell you what, this is right here, looks to me like a robot did it. The welds look really nice. Kind of polished on the ends, but then brushed in the center of the muffler. I mean, it looks to be well constructed. Just hope this is the right system. It looks like it is. But for under $800, supposedly these are really nice. You get a registration form. Thank you for your purchase. Packing slip from the eBay seller, which I'm not going to give their name out. They didn't really want to help me out at all for this video, so screw them, right? I'm not going to say who I got it from. So here's the crossover pipe here. That was a nice stock neon turbo just went by. That guy's had that since new. It's an old guy that drives, and the thing looks like you can eat off of it. That's one good thing about living here by the highway. A lot of nice cars go by. I hope this is the right system, because this does not look familiar to me, this section here. But we're coming back. It looks like it's, I really hope this is right. It does not look correct. We come back, it's 3 inches from the catalyst, from the catalytic converters in the front. We come back, it's 3 inches, and then splits into 2. I believe these are 2.5. They don't give you any specs at all. But, and my calipers are downstairs, but I'm pretty sure this is looking at it's 2.5. This I can guarantee is 3. That's 3 inches for sure. There's a lot of, looks like a lot of adjustability here. The way they have these hangers, it's pretty nice. We'll set that aside. Disclaimer, off-road use only. Whatever. Don't want to hit my car. Splits from the back. Yeah, this is definitely fits the Volvo here. It's a 6-bolt flange system, and then they have the resonator here, and then goes back to the 2 mufflers. This is a lot larger than what I pictured. This thing's huge. Some people said online that this hanger here, well, in the Elevate system, so I don't know if they made this system for Elevate or not, but this hanger here could be a problem. So I'm really hoping that matches up with my car, which is a 2010. It looks like it will. Can you see straight through? Yep. Just do it. Okay. So it's just got waffle screen wrapping on the edges here. Nothing really special there with that. Pretty impressed though with the quality. Okay, both tips are in there, that's good. So here's the tips. Chester! He chases a bicyclist. Your double wall, polished. And they are kind of angled. One's obviously sticks out further than the other. I know some of the M5 systems, people said that they didn't get enough lengthwise from the Becker system to clear the diffuser in the back. I'm hoping that's not a problem with the Volvo. We'll find out. It seems to be a lot of adjustability. These are not resonated, they're just double wall. Really nice though. All right, Chester, that's enough. Give it a rest, Chester. Looks pretty good though. There's 2 of those. I like the way they have this braced here. That looks pretty good. I'm trying to picture, this goes over the I guess the rear angle gear or transfer case, I think is where this goes. I'm not really sure. We'll find out then. I probably will do an install video. All right, well, all in all, I'm pretty impressed with it for under $800. And well, we'll stick it on the car and we'll see what we think, see how it looks. We can check out the other tip here quick. Not sure what the check mark means on there, or I don't know if that's a check. I guess it's a check mark, meaning I guess it passed their quality maybe, I don't know. Wow, very shiny. Got a couple nicks here and there. quality's kind of so-so on this one. That could be better there. I don't really care for how he did that there, but it's all right there, I guess. Hopefully it'll sound a lot better than the stock system, which sounds great on cold startup, but then once it settles in, it's so quiet you can't even hear the car run. And those Yamaha V8s need a little bit more character. So there you go. Thanks for checking out my Becker Performance Volvo S80 exhaust unboxing / review. And we'll see you guys later. All right, bye now.